Yeah, today I got it. The order today is the United States champion belt buckle. I go unbox it right now. See? Let me see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, look at that! Holy smoke! Look at that, United States. You see that? The United States champion belt buckle. Ooh, look at that. See what the back looks like too. You see that? From the WWE. Let me see. 2008 WWE. See? You could unscrew it too. You see that? It's nice, huh? See? Here's the United States champion belt buckle that I got today. See? Ooh, look at that. Wow. Look nice, huh? You like it, huh? See? The United States champion that I got. That Jack Swagger have it. The replica of the belt. All the greats that wear the belt. See that too, huh? Ooh, look at that. Look nice, huh? See? The back of it got the WWE. See? This is what, see? 2008 WWE. Oh yeah, they got a little screw you could unscrew it too for the. Oop, you can engrave your name on it for the nameplate for the United States champion. Ooh, look at that! Look nice, huh? You like that, huh? You wish, see? You wish you could have this. You see that? You could order it on eBay too. You see that? See? The World Wrestler Entertainment. World Wrestling Entertainment. The WWE United States champion belt buckle. Ooh, look at that. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this. And please write, comment, or subscribe to my video. Alright. To my YouTube channel. Alright, I'll try to order more of them, maybe more of them. If I get a chance, maybe next time. Alright. Alright. I will talk to you later. Bye. See? Alright. One more time. Look at that belt. Yeah, United States. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.